Hi children, we are meeting again. In my last lesson, we studied about Pythagoras theorem, and I just gave you an introduction to Pythagoras theorem. That is, Pythagoras have discovered that in a right angle triangle, square on this side, square, which is 5, this is 7, square on this will be 5 by 25. A square on this will be, the area of this square will be some 49. The square on the hypotenuse will be equal to, this is called the hypotenuse, we studied, at the longest side is called the hypotenuse. The square of the hypotenuse will be 25 plus 49, that is equal to 1 over 74 centimeter square. Square of the area of this square will be 74 square, area of this square 25, area of this square 49. That's what we studied in the last lesson. So today I'm going to introduce you to some Pythagoras combinations. Now look at this triangle. I'll call this A, B, C. Now I am putting some values for A, B and C. Now I am putting this as 2. This I am putting this as 3. And this as 4. And this as 5. That is, C is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. Now we'll see what happens. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. Now what is A squared? A squared means the area of this square. So supposing we put values for B and C. So B is equal to, we'll say 4. That is 4 squared plus C is equal to 3 squared. So that is equal to 16 plus 9. That is equal to 25. So 25. So 25 will be the area of the square. So one side will be 5. So here we are taking the sides. So here this is 3, this is 4, 3 are 9, 4 are 16, 16 are 9, 25. So this is a very important Pythagoras combination, 3, 4, 5. It's called 3, 4, 5 combination. 3, 4, 5 combination. It's very, very important because whenever we get these 3 numbers, we can definitely say it is a number coming on the right angle triangle. Now, supposing we multiply this by 2. Suppose we multiply this by 2. Then you are getting 8 and 6. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens when you multiply 6. So, A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. Now, B we have put as 8. So, B squared will be 8 squared plus 6 squared. That is equal to 64 plus 36. That is equal to 100. 1 over 73 to 100. So A will be 10. So it will be 10. So you see, that's all it comes as a multiple of 2. You multiply by 2. So when you multiply these two sides by 2, the hypotenuse also comes as we have to multiply by 2. So this is also Pythagoras combination. So supposing we multiply by 3, we will say, what happens? When you multiply by 3, we will be getting 12 here, 3 is 9. So A squared is equal to 12 squared plus 9 squared. That is equal to 144 plus 81. That is equal to 5, and about 12 to 1 over 2, 225. So A squared is 225, A is equal to 15. So this becomes 15, you can see. So we see that we can get another Pythagoras combination by multiplying by 3. 3 4 are 12, 3 3 are 19, 3 5 are 15. From basic 3 4 5 numbers. These are Pythagoras combination 3 4 5 numbers. So we can multiply by any number, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Like that we can get thousands of Pythagoras combination by just multiplying by the different numbers. So these is very important because for the O level and other exams you get these numbers mostly. There's another combination called 5 and 12 here. B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 12. We'll see what happens. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. So B is equal to 525 plus C squared is equal to 144. 144 plus 25 will be 169. 169. So A square 169. A is equal to 13. Square root of 139 will be 13. So these are another combination. This is a combination of the 1, combination of the 2. So in this combination 2, if you multiply, you can go on getting more and more by the combination by multiplying by 2, 3, 4, 5. If you multiply by 2, you'll be getting 10 and 24. So 10 squared plus 24 squared is equal to 576. So that will be 100 plus 576. That is equal to 676. That is equal to 1326 squared. 26 squared. So that will be this is 10, this is 24, this will be equal to 26. So another combination like that, 5, 12, 13. So another combination. We will take another triple, Pythagoras triple. We have taken 2 triples. Now another triple will be 8, 15, 17. 8, 15, 17. So 8, 15, 17 also we put in that or Pythagorean triangle, we put that 18, 8, 15. So A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. So that is equal to 8 squared plus 15 squared. That is equal to 64 plus 225. That is equal to how much? 9, 6 into 8, 289. 289. 279, 289 is equal to 17 squared. So 8, 15 square, 8, 15, 17 is another combination. Another one more combination we have that is equal to fourth combination 7, 24, 25. 7, 24, 25. So that will be 7 square will be 49 plus 24 square will be 576. So when you add all that 950 and 1 over 625. 625 will be 25 squared. So these 4 Pythagoras combinations are very, very important, children, because all these numbers only come for the O level. If they give a Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras combination or sum for you to work, you will definitely notice that any one of these combinations will be there. So you should memorize these and write down in your formula book, and then see that you memorize that and do a lot of exercise results. These are for today, children, Pythagoras combination. I hope you have understood. If you understood, please subscribe.